Hi. Management has more than 50 KPIs in dashboard itself. In simpliRP, there are two bell icons. The violet one talks about the upcoming due dates for coming 7 days. It shows inquiries pending for quotation, validity of customer quotation going to expire, upcoming sales order delivery due dates, supplier purchase order delivery due dates, upcoming subcontract delivery dues. You can right-click on any link and open that document itself. Likewise, in red bell icon, you can see all the already missed due dates. In this, you can also see the missed machine maintenance due dates. This is very important to alert on any unwanted breakdowns. You can see for sales department, total amount of inquiries in this financial year, total quotations issued, total customer orders received, pending customer orders to be supplied. Then you can see for purchase department, total number of material requests, total amount of vendor quotes received, total amount of supplier PO issued, total purchases done. Then you can see for operation department, total receipts amount, total payments received, total expenses made, total customer outstandings. You can check on the HSN and its tax percentage. You can also check the stock for a particular item, in all batches. You can click on the stock in hand link and see complete list of stocks. Then you can see chart of month-wise sales in this financial year. Also shows the month-wise purchases, also the GST liabilities and input credits. Then, total expenses made on labor, electricity, salary, wages, maintenance coming up and subcontracts due in 7 days. Then you can see last 7 days KPIs, number of machine or line serviced, production quantities, inspection quantities. simpliRP also alerts on safety stock alarm. Also you can go to daybook for a particular date. Then dashboard shows purchase price trend for last 60 days. In the days of increasing raw material price, this KPI will be very useful for management. Also there is a common message board. All the employees can view and use this in their respective page. Please note, the full dashboard is available only for management. Department users will not have access to dashboards. All these KPIs are for current financial year only. simpliRP is the simplest way to manage your organization. Thank you.